All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Mackenzie Morrison, and I'm going to talk about this data that we have here from our classes when it comes to our simulation. As you can see here in the examples, it gave us to measure the it was measure by company, measure by round, measure by comparison, and my names are just parameter. All the same information. It's just a little bit different name change because I just didn't want to do the same just in case data. But so here, the first one here is parameter by company. And this, I was on the green teams. And this is through round three, as you can see here, Chester, Ferris, Erie, Knoll, which is the average, Digby, Andrews, and Baldwin. So as you can see here, the average dotted line that we were asked to put, our number is 0.2713. And then if you go down the line and then you can hit these, and it also gives the numbers for the rounds 1, 2, and it goes down the line, as you know, we are asked to do over here in the filters, marks, columns, and rows. All right, and then moving on to parameter by round. As you can see here, I did have some trouble. I'm doing the line graph, but then I noticed here how you go over to marks and then just make that adjustment over here, which was a cool thing I learned this time in Tableau. As you can see here, all the videos, all the teams, Digby, Chester, Andrews, and then if you look, that blue line right there, which is null, which is the average, and same thing as well. If you highlight over those, it'll actually show you round three, and all those different rounds, all that good stuff. And then the final one, parameter comparison. So this one I didn't really quite understand at first, but then moving around over here, you can see the companies, null, which is average, and then I also did keeping them color coordinated because I thought it was cool because they're kind of bunched up together, so it's kind of hard to see um, where one company is what. So I wanted to do the coloring that way; it's easier to tell. Over here, the measured values as well. And company name, filters, measure names, round marks, measure values. Something I learned from Tableau this time too as well is how when you hit over here, over like say here, so size, label, shape, detail, tooltip, that's something I definitely learned. That was new for me in Tableau. I actually learned a lot from this assignment with Tableau because I've never really had this step-by-steps way to, actually put in the filters, measure values, columns, rows, and then the whole show me aspect, which I learned about as well, which was a pretty cool insight that I took from this. All I have to say though, what I've gathered from this data and this information overall is that Digby is killing it. They've been killing it. We're on round 5 in the class, and they've been really killing it, and they really understand how the simulation goes. So hopefully you enjoyed my data. Have a great day.